Once upon a time, in the vast African savanna, there lived a majestic lion named Leo. Leo was known throughout the land for his powerful roar and fierce demeanor. But despite his strength, Leo had a gentle heart hidden beneath his mighty exterior. One sunny day, as Leo was patrolling his territory, he stumbled upon a tiny mouse named Max. Max was scurrying about, collecting food for his family, when he accidentally wandered into Leo's path. Leo towered over Max, his golden mane glistening in the sunlight. Max froze in fear, expecting the worst from the king of the savannah. But instead of pouncing on the helpless mouse, Leo stopped and regarded Max with curiosity. "Please don't eat me, Mr. Lion," squeaked Max, his tiny voice trembling. Leo let out a deep chuckle, surprising both Max and himself. "Fear not, little one. I have no intention of harming you," he said, his voice rumbling like distant thunder. Max blinked in astonishment. You won't eat me?" Leo shook his head. "Of course not. I believe in showing kindness to all creatures, no matter how small." Grateful and relieved, Max thanked Leo before scurrying off into the tall grass. Months passed, and one day, Leo found himself trapped in a hunter's net. Roaring for help, he struggled to break free, but the more he fought, the tighter the net became. Hearing Leo's desperate cries, Max, who had been exploring nearby, rushed to the scene. Teeth and nimble paws, Max gnawed at the ropes until they finally snapped, freeing Leo from the hunter's trap. Leo was astonished by Max's bravery and selflessness. "Thank you, my friend," he said, his eyes shimmering with gratitude. Max smiled shyly. "It's the least I could do after you spared my life, Mr. Lion." From that day on, Leo and Max became the unlikeliest of friends, roaming the savannah together and looking out for each other. Their bond proved that true friendship knows no boundaries, not even between the largest and smallest of creatures. And as they journeyed through the African wilderness, their story spread far and wide, inspiring others to show kindness and compassion to all living beings. So remember, dear friends, no act of kindness is ever too small, for it can create ripples of love and friendship that spread far and wide, just like the friendship between Leo the lion and Max the mouse.